everybody. Nice seeing you again. Hey, RV Enthusiast here. Hey, we're still working on the 2017 Wrangler Sport Unlimited Goby Jeep. Saw last video, the fenders went on. A lot of time to put them on, about 3.5 hours total, and we've never done it before. Well, Jeffrey never did it before. I never did it before, and he did most of the work, as you saw. Fran helped. I helped a little, and it's on. Now we're going to put these running boards on, and that should be a real fast job. This video here should be 6 or 8 minutes, but we'll show you how we do it. We've already got them lined up to the Jeep. He bought these on Craigslist, I believe, and this is how they came, already kind of with those brackets on them. And all we got to do is put 6 bolts and all of these little things in there. And that is it. So this should be pretty fast.
Just get these puppies lined up so it's easy for you.
Yep, that's what we want. There we go. All right. Here's one in the middle. I got it. Oh, we gotta go in more.
You gotta get them all in, Dad.
I know,
What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay.
Hang on, no, I'm here. Oh yeah, I'm here. I'm good. Okay. Yep.
So you said this one has the big ones?
Yeah. If you hand me those, I can. The big ones. Let me start them for you. Very simple. That one started. And I'm going to put them right in, which is this one, and properly. And
nope.
Still too big. All right.
Let's get the wrench.
I'm gonna get. I got a ratchet ting, and it is a 10 millimeter.
Ah, 10 millimeter.
Yep, and it's a ratchet, Jeff. In the second drawer down on the left, right. Second drawer on the right.
Too back heavy. What are you doing?
Just checking. Just verifying everything's fairly tight.
You want me to get it?
Sure. Glasses, where'd they go?
They were on your chest at the. They fall off. Oh, they're right on your waist.
Okay. Put them on. You're gonna get dust in your eyes. Trust me. Just got it. Just what I talk to people about too. You don't want to do this and get dust in your eyes.
I'm just gonna close mine. Yeah.
Yep. Good, right? Next one. All right, a very simple process. We'll take it to the other side. You can see the other side. See, I told you, you don't get up under a vehicle. I had them on my chest and they fell off, and I was like, oh, put them on. And what do you get? Dirt in your eyes, and that's a brand new Jeep. Okay, ready?
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
To the left. Right, I guess. And we're all the way in.
Yep.
There we go.
Aren't you glad we're ending on such a simple thing?
Yeah.
Really, right?
Yeah. For sure.
This is so much. I mean, even I didn't do much on your other one, and this is a breeze in comparison. We're missing a black one.
Are we?
Yeah. in the middle.
Double check for on the other side.
If
What was it? Did you use it?
Almost there.
That'd be a good picture. Ching ching. These are not too hot yet. How are we going to clean up these?
okay, G.
Get that out.
I got you.
Oh, put ice down.
Yeah, Jeff, what did you put on that one?
I did Goo Gone. But they might. Do you think there's something better for that?
Put on the license plate.
What?
What should we clean up? License plate with?
I would think Goo Gone would be good product.
Fire phone?
Huh?
Fire phone?
He said he thinks Goo Gone would be a
I
good
thought
product.
Goo Gone would be good.
What else is good?
You ready, G?
Almost.
That makes that tie to the roof really well.
Yeah.
Let me finish it.
You're good to go,
You guys
probably.
have
Huh?
been so bored without me today, you know? I didn't have all these
Totally.
things
We're just be digging a swimming pool.
Yeah.
You hit that one?
Yeah, did you hit these little things, Jeffrey?
No.
I hit them just for friends. Nice. Looks good. All right, that's it. That's how simple that one was.
Put it on backwards.
Putting these on was magic in comparison to putting those fenders on. That's what it looks like, guys. All done. Fender flares are on. Running boards are on. Half price. How much you pay on them running boards? Half price?
The running boards are $200.
$200 versus
175.
versus what?
400.
$400. So half price on the running boards, half price on the fender flares. Just a little bit of labor, guys. That's all it takes. Oh, and if you're old and you got old fingers, it takes young fingers and young strength to push those little pins in. All right, that's all we got for you today in this episode. Thanks for joining me. Remember, full-time, part-time, anytime is a great time to RV. Right, Fran?
Right.
What is it? What's the saying, Fran? Full-time, part-time, anytime.
Full-time, part-time, anytime. It's a great time to RV. Woo!
To like, share, and subscribe, click the logo to the left.